Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I have a finished object video for you, which are socks. Fingering socks hold double. Okie dokie, let's start. So I finished these socks, and these socks are fingering weight socks but hold double. So they give probably DK worsted feeling, I think. I think the gauge over here is 6 stitches per 1 inch, and I use for that needles. Actually, I'm knitting another pair, so I'm using Chagu 2.75 millimeters, which is US size, I think 2, I'm guessing, and I knit them one at a time, and I do use a magic loop system. I do not have 9" for 2.75 millimeters, so size 2, but I think I'm going to have a look, because these socks are such stash buster. And you said that you really like the idea because they knit up so fast and you can knit some bigger sizes for larger feet, and which, you know, if you have a proper winter, go for it. We do not have a proper winter, but I knitted these for Sebastian, so my husband, and he will use them to wear at home, and it always makes me smile when he uses my socks. Anyway. So knitworthy. So these are for him, and I use 2 types of yarn over here. So I'm going to show you yarn first. So here it is. I still have some leftovers. Actually, I can knit fingering weight socks with it, and that's probably why also I was tempted to start with holding the strands double, because I haven't knitted fingering with it. It gives you an idea, it's not the same color, but an idea how the socks knits up, and I think I will have enough to knit for fingering now. But we shall see when. So what yarn did I use, and from who did I get it? Because these are leftovers. I know, you will like, what? You're knitting one pair and you're managing to knitting another one. Yes, and someone else has knitted a pair of socks with it too, I think. But definitely something. Diane, what did you knit? Anyway, so we have Ouster Man, Fashion and Style, Step, Aloe Vera, and the color is 49, and I'm going to show you that close enough to you, but it's 75 virgin wool and 25% nylon, so polyamide. Okay, check the screen, stop knitting, check the screen, and have you knitted with this yarn before? And this is how it knits up, you know, holding in ones, so for fingering weight socks. Slightly different color, as you can see. We have more orangey bluish, and I matched this yarn, which is also fingering weight, but this is Drops Fable, and I think I'll be guessing 918. I think that's the one. I knitted socks with this yarn. I knitted back to school, I think. On the screen, socks, as you can see, and I had some leftovers. I was so afraid I may run out of yarn, but I had a bit left and I was just connecting them together, so I was able to finish. However, I did a standard stretchy bind off over here, not the one with the yarn over, just with knit and then knitted together, or pour and knitted together, depends of the ribbing you have. And I do not really like this effect. It's fine, it will work, but from now on you'll see me doing a tubular bind off. So that's that. Afterthought heel, and if you're interested in how I knit socks, I will definitely link and show you at the end the video, so if you're interested, check it out. Toes up, tube, afterthought heel, use style ribbing, stretch bind off, one at a time. And because I got yarn from Diane, I used her bag and check her shop and my keychain. So check my shop too and grab something. Go to the Swap Knitting I Love group, check the swap thread and swap yarn with people, because it's so much fun. It kind of builds up the community. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use #KnittingILove. Check my Instagram, follow me over there, and till the next one. Bye.